Hi teacher, my name is Jenny and I'm going to talk about the main idea of the first video. So this math teacher is a great teacher. He has great skills in technology and he makes his class fun. So I like it that every student was very happy and he could catch the attention of everyone. In the second video, I could see that the students have a perspective about education, and I really felt very identified because I'm studying virtually. And I can recognize the importance of using technology in the classroom. Now I have one suggestion to improve the classes with the use of technology, and it is that we need to have technology that help us to increase the participation in the students. For example, the first video conference that we had, you used like a virtual game in which we could feel that we needed to participate and it was fun too. I think if we have that technology in our classroom, it needs to be in some way something that can help us to participate. So the class is better, is not bored, and we can enjoy and learn more.